Three kitties looking for breakfast this morning. Hello. I'm on my way to an ATM. It's payday. I had to deposit. I want to see what my new balance is with my new paycheck added. And today I'm gonna go see the new Aquaman movie. Got my Aquaman t-shirt and my merman jersey. And that's what I'm doing today. The ATM says I have $99 million. And now I'm gonna start making my way to the movie theater to see the new Aquaman. On the way home, after Aquaman, I went to Walmart and McKay's for more Christmas movies and Christmas candy. And now I'm on my way home. And I got some Subway too. I also went to the dollar store and got some candy canes. Okay, Aquaman 2. What I thought of it. Just off the top of my head, from what I remember seeing it earlier today. For the most part, it's a cool looking movie. Same villains for the most part. Same two villains. Well, it's mostly Black Manta he's the villain for the most part, but then for like a minute, a few minutes towards the end, Orm becomes the villain again, and then there's a third villain, the guy who's controlling everything, the green guy, and but then he only lasts for a few minutes too. So, I mean, it's a cool looking movie. Black Manta is pretty intimidating. There was a few scenes where you thought he was about to kill someone who worked for him. Yeah, it's a cool looking movie for the most part. That's all I'm going to do for this video. Thank you for watching. Good night.